Ngibingelele bafowethu nginamukele kuyona i-channel igama Unqoba Dlamini, also known by the name of DJ Chef The Soul. Bafowethu, if you are new to the channel, you are very welcome, and please do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and also comment to the section down below. Nyanyani ke superstar laphayana ke yena uLuyanda Potwane is now a graduate ke uyi-graduate kuphi ke khona laphayana ke sike sabona ke ey'nkundleni ey'ningi zokuxhumana ke naye uye wakuveza lokho-ke ngey'thombe kuthiwa laphayana-ke i-South African presenter Luyanda Potwane was last seen packing his bags to leave Johannesburg to go to study overseas. Noma-ke besingazi ukuthi uyofunda ini, uyofundela ini, kodwa-ke ebesikujabulela ukuthi-ke he was going to further his education ngani zakwethu-ke. It was thought that he would update abantu-ke noma-ke ama-fans akhe about his life khona-ke emazweni-ke ngamanye amazwe abroad. Potwana is being uploaded for not being shy about his calling. Iyona-ke i-calling leya yakhe iyo-ke ngani zakwethu-ke i-calling leya njengoba sibonile ey'thombeni ekhomba khona ukuthi-ke usegraduate-le-ke ukuba yiso-ke isangoma-ke. Kodwa-ke abantu abaningi-ke baye-ke abanye bakhomenta-ke ngokuthi-ke what if-ke yena-ke uLuyanda-ke ngalesi khathi sayo-ke ishow usevele nje aveze-ke iy'mfihlo zakho njengomuntu-ke osuke edinga-ke usizo laphayana-ke. Uthe kanjena-ke omunye wabo-ke, imagine him spilling the beans that you were not ready to reveal to your partner. Kuyo-ke inyanyani ngani zakwethu, kodwa-ke angikholwa ukuthi-ke lowa muntu-ke engayenza leyo nto-ke njengoba umazi-ke uLuyanda ukuthi-ke u-strict kanganani when it comes to i-show nokubaluleka kwayo, futhi-ke I'm very sure ukuthi uyakwazi-ke. Kuthiwa-ke uLuyanda-ke ujoyina-ke amanye ama-celebrity afana noBoetie-ke, uLetoya esimazela khona lapha kwi-Generations kanye naye-ke uTall Ezmo kuyona-ke i-calling leya yani-ke yabantu-ke abadala-ke, ancestral calling. So ngani zakwethu-ke ngiyacela ukuthi-ke nani-ke nizwakalise-ke umbono wenu la kuyona-ke i-comment ngezansi-ke noma i-section yama-comments ngezansi ukuthi-ke niyizwa kanjani-ke leya yinto-ke. Thank you.